What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Martez39, aka Just Hobbies. I wanted to do a quick video showing you my Ruger 5.7 by 2.8 carbine alongside the Ruger 5.7 by 2.8 pistol. Let's get a closer look at them. As you can see, the grips are identical. Taking a look at the pistol, I do have this one decked out with the Olight. Also have the Vortex Venom optic. Moving on to the carbine, this one actually comes with the Ruger pop-up sights, and you can see that we have that on the front and the rear. The carbine also comes with a Ruger folding adjustable stock. Ruger did a good job with this carbine, and I'm actually glad that I did go with the Ruger 5.7 pistol. When I first decided to get my pistol, which was about 7 months ago, I was really leaning towards the FN 5.7. One of the main reasons why I ended up going with the Ruger was only because it was actually in stock. And I did learn a little bit later that the Ruger 5.7 was about half the cost of the FN 5.7. When I purchased the Ruger 5.7, I didn't have any intention on, getting the rifle, which FN made the rifle. But Ruger surprised everybody with this rifle here. It does make a perfect pair. Let's get another close look at it again. On the carbine, I actually have a safety on this one. With the 5.7, this is the Pro model, and it didn't come with a safety. As some of you might remember early on, Ruger was having a problem with the safety on some of their 5.7s. Mainly, you could have it in the safety position, and it would still fire. But they have since fixed that. They did a recall on the ones that were damaged, and they got things back up and going. But I will say they definitely hit a home run with the rifle. Let me see if I can move these around a little bit. Give me 1 second. As you can see, the carbine is empty. It does come with one magazine. Now the Ruger 5.7 actually comes with 2 mags. They are interchangeable. You can use the same mag in the pistol and the rifle, which is very good. Just gonna flip it around here. Just taking a look at the other side. Not sure how many of y'all are familiar with the YouTube team Nothing Fancy, but Nothing Fancy did a video on the Ruger 5.7 back in 2020, and one of the things that they mentioned was Ruger coming out with the carbine. I don't know if they knew that Ruger already had that in production, but that was something that they talked about early on. And man, did Ruger hit a home run with this one. I mean, let's take a look at the trigger there. That's the trigger on the Ruger 5.7 pistol. And the trigger actually looks the same on the carbine as well. Now, as far as optics, I'm not really sure what I'm going to go with on this. so many options on there. With the range that you get from the 5.7 by 2.8 round, you know, I was maybe leaning more towards, you know, a scope, but then, I mean, you can do the, you know, the red dots with the magnifier. So I'm not really sure what direction I'm gonna go in. I do have the Sig Romeo on an AR-15 pistol, and I have a Holosun red dot as well on another rifle. So at the moment, I don't have them sighted in for those particular firearms. So I may try it out on here just to see. If y'all would get in the comments and tell me what you think, you know, as far as optic I should do. All right, I'm gonna move this out of the way and gonna see if I can get a little closer to the front end. Okay, on the front here, it does have a threaded barrel. And I'm really just now seeing the fluted barrel. It is actually fluted. Got a lot of real estate there with the rail. I like how Ruger put their logo on the sights there. Very nice touch. They also do that on the 5.56 model, which I do have that one as well. And these pop-up sights, I mean, they're really nice. I mean, it just, you know, they're real snappy, just pop right up there.